was founded in December 1st, 2017, with the whole aim and objective of mentoring upcoming scholars on research, career, and career development. And the main objective of the Young Pharmacy Scholars was first, number one, to conceptualize research ideas on these upcoming scholars, to design, to conduct, and report publication of research. We also, another objective is to train them and mentor them on scientific writing skills, and also to train them how to communicate research. Another main objective or goal is on career development, to groom them on how to develop their own career. So our main activities so far, how we carried out our activity, we carry out activity through weekly presentation by members. This is based on annual academic calendar, which we normally design it at the beginning of every year. Throughout the year, we design a calendar through which member will present every week. That's we normally do every Sunday at 11 a.m. Nigerian time. So sometimes we do through WhatsApp and Zoom webinar. And we also do hands-on training where we pick some of the experts within our group, or we invite some external members where they present on topic that we really need by the members. So sometimes we do hands-on training, we organize time where members will be on the system. Like this one we did on Facebook research, I think around February this year. We also do research mentoring through collaborative research by members. This is a situation whereby a member will bring up a topic, and then other members who are interested will join, and then they will now break out into subgroup where they will now go and design, conduct, and at the end publish the research. A good example of them is our SNARE group, which I did through this group, they published 3 papers in high impact journals. We also have another research group, which is currently ongoing about drug hawking. And there's another one on ceftriaxone, where the members look at the standard of ceftriaxone marketed in northern Nigeria, most likely Kano. And then we also do our activities through research communication, through conferences, where our members present the papers we do at local and international conferences. We also organize seminars and workshops, in most cases in collaboration with some universities. And we also do career guidance, where most members need some guidance about where to go, because they have the knowledge, they have everything, but the main idea is that they just need a little push to know where to go. And we have been doing it for the past 4 years. So far, so good. For the past 4 years, we have recorded some achievement with the cooperation of our members, our mentors, and our stakeholders, among which are the weekly presentation. We're able to record 90% of weekly presentation, both through WhatsApp and Zoom presentation. We recorded 90% success. And this presentation, we normally do them 11 a.m. and we used to be consistent. And we always do it on the dot. So in this presentation, apologies to my colleague from Africa, no African time, we all know it. It's 11 minutes 11. And that's what I've been doing for the past 4 years. And then through collaborative research, we compile all our studies in a book. Well, that's what the MC just mentioned, compendium. So we call it compendium of YPS research. In this compendium, it contains it recorded 9 published papers done by YPS members, published in high impact journals. And now we have 2 that have already completed, just awaiting to be submitted to journal. Oh, sorry, 2 have already been accepted by journal, waiting to be published. And then 3 are actively completed, just waiting to be submitted to a journal. And 2 are under peer review. So at any point in time, hopefully they will be accepted. And also through this collaborative research, members who, through the mentoring, and that's the main aim of mentoring. If you mentor someone, the happiness of you, even you are a teacher, to see that person excel in the area you are teaching him. And it was to our surprise we just realized some of the members regroup themselves and try to practicalize what we teach them from the forum, and went ahead to conduct the research on their own and publish it. So we call it YPS inspired research. And through this research, we realized there are 26 researches, 26 studies published, some currently ongoing, some accepted for publication by members. And I'm happy to introduce this guy, Mubarak Hussein Ahmad, who is he's a very hardworking guy, and he was our best inspired YPS author because he has published so many papers outside the training he received from YPS. We also, all these papers we published through YPS collaborative research. We published or we presented them in local and international conferences. Among them is all this Africa Regional Interest Group. And then also we try to engage the community through our research. So we conducted research, we published research, then what next? So we try to engage with the community to say, okay, this is what we did, and this is what we found. So in this now we use radio session where our members participate in an interactive radio session with Radio Nigeria Kaduna and a private radio in Kano, Amici Radio, where they had an interview, and then people, the public call in to ask them questions about the research findings and the trending problem in the community. And it was very successful. People like it. And even the radio wanted us to have another program with them, which we are planning. So also through our activities, we are able to organize 2 annual seminars in collaboration with Bayero University Kano. The one we did was in 2018, and we did another one. So because of the COVID lockdown, we are unable to do it last year, that's 2020. But all the 2 were very successful. We have heaps of attendance. And another massive, or I could say a big achievement we recorded is the registration of our new name. Initially, we were using YPS, that's Young Pharmacy Scholars, which is not registered. We are just using it to trial to see how we can do or how we can go. So as time goes on, when we see that yes, we are able to stand on our own, we now apply for registration with the Corporate Affairs Commission of Nigeria, where some members facilitated in getting the name registered. So we now migrated from Young Pharmacy Scholars, which members always say, well, most of us, they are no longer young, now to Pharmacy Scholars Initiative, where we use pharmacy so that it will include every umbrella under pharmacy. Initiative, like everything we do, we bring it something new to change what is already known. So the name Pharmacy Scholars is just a change of name. Everything remains the same aim, the same objective. And as it is now, we have 40 members, of which 30% were females. And all these members are Nigerians who are, most of them are in Nigeria, postgraduate studies, some are in research development, or with interest in research and development. And some are Nigerians who are schooling in or working at some university or institution in the United States, in Australia, in Asia, that's Malaysia, Turkey, and all over, and the UK. And all these members, whenever we have any presentation, we come together, share ideas, and share knowledge and ideas within ourselves. And that's how we are. And I would like to use this opportunity to thank and appreciate all members for finding time to attend all our programs, and also our guests for finding time to attend our webinar. Thank you so much.
Yeah.